Assalamu alaikum and a very good day to all my viewers. This video will be an unboxing video of MJJC Pro Foam Cannon version 2. A very big thanks to MJJC for sending this foam cannon for me to try out their products. And if you would like to purchase this item, I will leave the link below. Now let's go and do the unboxing. Inside the box consists of manual for us to read. Next we have a suction tube and orifice. I believe it's a 1.1 millimeters orifice nozzle. And we got a connector here. For me is because I am using Karcher, they send me a K series connector. You can choose the type of connector you want for your pressure washer. Here we got the nozzle. Last but not least, we got the MJJC bottle comes with the logo. Now, let me do the install or show some of you how to install this. It's just pretty straightforward of the installation. Let me try out the foam cannon. Wow, just look at the foam. This MJJC Foam Cannon Pro 2 will be my go-to foaming stage. I am really happy with this. For those who want to order, link are it below. As for my rating will be 10 out of 10. That's all for my video. I hope to see you all soon. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Cheers.